Hello guys, welcome back to Self Study YouTube channel. This video lecture is for 10th standard SSC board students, and our today's topic is lesson number 2, location and extent of geography. In this lesson, we are going to study about India and Brazil. Okay, now I hope location and extent is clear with you. Now on page number 10 we are starting with India. First, name of the country in Republic of India. Now we are going to start with India's location, extent and boundaries. Okay, now let us study. So this is the flag of India. As you know, India's actual name is Republic of India. Republic means ruled by people, democratic republic. So as we say in place like this, so republic, people's rule is there in this country. Name of the capital of India is Delhi. Okay, India's capital is Delhi. Remember, the name of India is Republic of India and not just India. We just say India, but the actual name is Republic of India. Now let us study about the location, extent and boundaries of India. Now, as I have told you earlier, but I'll just show you this slide. Okay, India. Now in the world map, India is located over here. As you can see, the red color is highlighting India in the world map. Also observe this degree, as you can see over here, these degrees. Now these will indicate the extent. I'll tell you about it ahead, but these are the extent. So in these extent, India is covered. Okay, now India, here you can see equator is passing. Okay, and this is 0 degree, so this is 0 degree prime meridian. Now India, this is the northern part as it is above equator, and this part is eastern part. So India is in the northern and eastern hemisphere. Okay, and also in Asia, India is located in Asian continent. Now let us study. India is located in northern and eastern hemisphere, as we have studied earlier, which I showed you in the map. Now over here again, that map I have shown. Now this is very important point about Asia. Okay, now I'll just show you where India is. Can you see this red? This red is nothing but the India's position in Asia. Now Asia is continent, as we know, and in this Asian continent, India is located in the southern part. Now southern part, why? Because we are just talking about Asia, we are not talking about world. At world, it is located in northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere, but while talking about Asia continent, it is located at the southern part, means at the lowest part, at the bottom. So Asia continent is, you can see highlighted in yellow. So in Asian continent, India is at the southern part. Okay, now over here you can see India. As you can see here, in Asian continent, India is, each and every country is in the northern part. Now Mongolia, Kazakhstan, these countries are at the higher level, but India is at the bottom, as you can see. Now these countries are also in the southern hemisphere, as you can see, this Philippines and all things. Okay, so India is also in southern hemisphere. It's not hemisphere, southern part of Asian continent. Now India in Asia, it is in southern part. Remember this, because this is very important. In Asia, it is in southern part, and at the world level, if we talk, then it is in the northern. So southern means this part. Okay, in Asia, southern part, not hemisphere, and in world, northern hemisphere and Eastern Hemisphere. Okay, world we talk, then it is Northern and Eastern Hemisphere. About Asia, it is southern part of Asia. Now let us move ahead. Now extent, talking about extent, location we came to know. Now let us talk about extent. Now over here I have forgotten to write degree. Yeah. Okay, now India's extent, what area is covered by India? Okay, the area covered by India is nothing but extent. Now India covers 8 degree 4 minutes north because as you saw in the world map, India is in the northern hemisphere. Okay, so and in eastern hemisphere, so it will come of northern and eastern hemisphere only. And latitude and longitudes, now what are they? I'll show you in the figure, but just remember this, that 8 degree 4 minutes, this is minutes, this is degree, north to 37 degree 6 minutes north in latitudinal wise, latitudes, horizontal lines, and between 38 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minute east in longitudes, the vertical lines. Now let us see. Okay, now let us see this map. In this map, as you can see over here, this is India, and in India it is in the northern and eastern hemisphere of the earth and southern part of ancient continent. Now as you can see, horizontal lines, these are latitudes, and the vertical lines, you can see this one, yeah, they are vertical lines which are longitude. Now over here till here, now India last point is at Indira point. Okay, but over here as you can see, east is given like this, north is given, so north and east, so India is covered in northern and eastern hemisphere, therefore in extent also we got as north and eastern. Now north, these are latitudes, in north latitudes, and as we know, like see, earth is there, equator is dividing into two halves, northern and southern hemisphere. Now equator is a horizontal line, so northern and southern hemisphere are also divided into horizontal things. Horizontal is nothing but the latitudes, therefore we write 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minutes north latitude is nothing but the horizontal lines. Okay, get clear with this. Next is longitude is nothing but vertical lines, so prime meridian divides it, eastern and western. Now therefore as India is in east, therefore with while writing east we will write longitude, therefore it is written as 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east, longitudes. Okay, longitude means east, latitude means north. Okay, I hope this is clear with you because it is very important. Now let us have a look of India on Google Earth. Okay, so let us see live Google Earths, and on it we will see India. Now this is our earth, as you all know. Now where to find India, it's a very difficult task. Let us search it. Okay, India, country in South Asia. Okay, southern part of Asia. Here we go. We got India, we got its states as well as the neighbors, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Tajikistan, Bangladesh, and all these things. Okay, and we also got the state. Now this is India, as you can see over here, the red spot, this is India, our country. Okay, now if I point over here, dropped pin. I dropped a pin, so it says 8 degree 28 minutes. Now this is the mainland India's last point. Over here, if you drop pin, you can see something near about. Okay, but as we drop pins, you can see different the extent of it. Okay, now India's latitude and longitude, I hope you have cleared with this, and also about the extent. Now as we drop pins, we will get different location extent these things. Okay, like this. So where we drop pin, we will get the idea that at which point it is located. Now neighboring countries. Now neighboring countries, which is in east, which is in north, which is in west, which is in south, let us see them. Okay, now I'll again search. Okay, so we got India, right, and the neighboring countries as well. Pakistan, then Jammu Kashmir. Okay, we have Bangladesh, yes, Sri Lanka. Now let us name the neighboring countries. Okay, I'll just zoom like this so that neighboring countries will be also clear with them. Okay, now let us name them. At the east part, we have Myanmar. Okay, as you can see over here, Myanmar in the eastern part. Okay, so at this side we are seeing Myanmar. Then we are seeing Bangladesh as well over here, Bangladesh. Then we are having Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal, now they have named, also told us to about the neighboring countries and oceans. Now we have two neighboring countries, Myanmar and Bangladesh at the east part, and we are having sea, which is Bay of Bengal Sea. Okay, so write that thing down over there. Now next thing, at the north part we are over here above, we are having China. Okay, this is China. Then also we are having Bhutan, this small country, Bhutan. Then we are having Nepal as well as the north part, and some part of Afghanistan also touches India. Okay, just some part over here somewhere Afghanistan touches India. So here it is actually Afghanistan, but some part has the border with India. Now in the west side we will see is Pakistan. In west only we have Pakistan, and we have Arabian Sea. Okay, and in south we have Sri Lanka and Indian Ocean. This is our Indian Ocean. Okay, in India, this is below this Sri Lanka is our Indian Ocean, as you can see over here. Okay, so these were the countries. It is visible on the screen as well, so you can see that as well. Okay, now let us move to our next slide. Indira Point. This is also an important thing. We will see it on Google as well. Indira Point. So this is the actual picture. It is the southernmost tip of India. It is located on point. It is located in 6 degree 4 minutes north. Okay, 6 degree 45 minutes north. It is located, and it is the southernmost tip at Indira Point. It is the end of India. Means the extent of India is completed at the southernmost point of Indira Point, which is the southernmost tip of India. Now also I'll tell you that Indira Point, it is a village in Andaman and Nicobar Island, the Great Andaman, and today it is not there because it is submerged underwater because of the 26th January 2004 tsunami came. Therefore the Indira Point got submerged. It is not there. It is there, but it is submerged. Okay, we saw about India. Now let us go to the Indira Point. I'll just search to make the things more easier. Indira Point at Andaman Nicobar, so it will come. Okay, as you can see in this picture as well. Now this shows us the Indira Point. Okay, as you can see in this picture as well. Now this shows us the Indira. So this is Indira Point. Today it is submerged, but it is in Andaman. So this is the southernmost point. As you see, here it is written southernmost point of India. If I go here, you can see this. Okay, so it is in the ocean, and this states that the kind. Okay, in this picture, this is Indira Point, and that this thing is our southernmost point of India. So over here, India, and so this is in Great Andaman. Okay, so here it was. So as you can see, in India is here, and the southernmost tip is here. And if we pin over here, okay, we have dropped the pin, and if you can see 6°45 now north. Okay, and 93. So this is the extent of Indira Point. As we have seen in textbook, they told us that it is 6°45 north. Let us have a look at our slide again. So it stated like this. Now we saw Indira Point, right? Let us move ahead. Now about Brazil. Brazil will be on in the next part, second part, about Brazil's location, extent, and boundaries. I hope you like this video. If you did, consider subscribing to my channel, and till then, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.